Hello, I am Krishna. Nyasa in Sanskrit means placing or touching. It is a ritual that involves a series of touches in a specific locations in the body by a sage or a seer by chanting specific mantras. It is a beautiful ceremony where the installation of the Lord is done in the devotee's own physical form. As a result, it is considered that the body of the individual becomes more divine. Nyasa can be of various types. They are not present in the texts from northern India or in the Mahabharata, but most rituals in South India are usually started with the practice. I will be describing the Anganyasa widely practiced in South India. Here, the body of the devotee is considered as the temple of the Lord, and the various limbs become the altars upon which, with a heart full of love and faith, the devotee invokes and installs various deities. Starting with touching the top of the head with the right hand thumb, middle finger and ring finger, chanting the following line. Asya Sri Vishnu Divya Sahasranama Stotra Mahamandrasya Sri Vedavyaso Bhagavan Rishi, which means that for this sacred chant of 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu, Sri Vedavyasa is the divine Rishi. The author of a mantra is termed as seer in our Vedas. The seer or a Rishi of a mantra is installed in the roof of the head of the seeker, who is the person chanting the Vishnu Sahasranamam. The fingers touching the head should now come down to touch the lips while chanting the following line. Anushtup Chandaha. In order to minimize error and improve the effectiveness of the chants, all authors of Sanskrit hymns have mentioned the correct method of reading them. The Vishnu Sahasranamam is written in Anushtup Chandaha, which means each quarter of a stanza has 8 syllables. Since the chant comes out through the mouth, we perform this nyasa while saying this line. The fingers should now come down to touch the heart while saying the following line. Sri Mahavishnu Paramatma Sriman Narayano Devata. Since Lord Vishnu is the theme of the chant, the devotee installs the Lord in his heart. Now, the fingers should come down to touch the navel while chanting Amrutam Sudvavo Bhanuriti Bijam Devaki Nandana Sasteji Shakti. Every deity is a manifestation of the Supreme Lord. The creator and the sustainer of Dharma, the son of Devaki, is the manifested power of the Almighty. This creative power is installed at the navel point. Even in many paintings of Lord Vishnu, the creator of the world, Lord Brahma, is shown to arise from the Lord's navel. Now, our own feet should be touched with both the hands while chanting. Udbhavakshobano deva iti paramo mantra Sankabrinandaki chakriti kilakam. The creative power invoked and installed in the navel region needs to be firmly nailed down and established in our minds. For this, the mantra gives an image to the power as the Lord who bears the conch, that is the Shankha, the sword named Nandaka, and the discus, which is the Chakra. These three in turn depict creation, sustenance and destruction by the Lord. The conch also represents speech, the sword represents action, and the discus represents thought, thus meaning that this great power expresses itself in the world through speech, action and thought. So, with the Guru kept at the roof of the head, the Veda or the meter in the mouth, the Lord in the heart, and the power in the navel, the seeker chanting the sloka becomes sacred and touches his own feet. This also symbolizes firm establishment of the Lord in the devotee till the completion of the chanting. Now the hands are lifted away from the feet and stretched out. Index and middle fingers of the right hand should snap on the open left palm while chanting the following line. Sangadanva Gadadharaidyastram. Now that the body of the devotee has become the temple of the Almighty, it is now a sacred treasure which has to be protected. But since the devotee himself has no power to protect, he invokes the weapons of Astra of Lord Vishnu, such as Saranga or Koranda, which is the bow, and the Gada, which is the mace. Now both the eyes should be touched by the tips of the fingers while chanting. Rathangapani Raksobhaya Idinetram. Rathangapani means rain-handed is the name given to Lord Krishna, who took the form of a charioteer. A charioteer guides every step or every horse to ensure safety while traveling. Among the sense organs, the eyes are the most powerful, and once guided well, all the rest will follow them. So, when Lord Vishnu is installed in the eyes, the devotee is safe in his spiritual journey. While chanting the next line, the fingers should first touch the same side shoulders and then cross the arms to touch the opposite shoulders as though wrapping oneself in divine armor. Trisama Samaga Sametika Vacham. The great Lord Vishnu glorified by the three Sama songs, and the same Veda is installed as an armor for self-protection. Now the fingers touch below the navel while chanting Anandam Parabrahmeti Yonihi, which means that the Supreme Brahman, who is the infinite bliss, is the very womb from which the entire universe has emerged. Now the middle finger is snapped once and the palm goes round the head while chanting Rutu Sudarshana Kala iti Digbandha. The Lord is the ultimate reality, and along with his weapons such as the Sudarshana Chakra and Kala or time, he spiritually guards the devotee from outside influences. Now the palms should be joined in the prayer while chanting Shri Vishwarupa iti Dhyanam. The mudra indicates installation of the great Lord of the universe in the intellect or mind of the devotee. Now the joint palms are rotated inward. Some sources say that a spoon of water should be taken in the right palm and emptied in front of the floor. The line to be chanted is Sri Mahavishnu Prityarte Sahasranama Jape Viniyogdaha. This is a declaration by the devotee that to seek the grace of Lord Mahavishnu, he is going to engage himself in the chanting of the 1,000 names of the Lord. I shall repeat the slokas with the prescribed mudras of the Anganyasa. Asya Shri Vishnu Divya Sahasranama Stotra Mahamandrasya Shri Vedavyaso Bhagavan Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha Shri Mahavishnu Paramatma Shriman Narayano Devata Amrutam Sudbhavo Banuriti Bijam Devaki Nandana Sastedi Shaktihi Udbhavahaksho Deva Iti Paramo Mantraha Shankabrinandaki Chakriti Kilakam Sangadanva Gadadharaidyastram. रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्य इति नेत्रं त्रिसामसामगा सामेति कवचम् आनन्दं परब्रह्मेति योनिः ऋतुसुदर्शनकाल इति दिग्बन्धः श्रीविश्वरूप इति ध्यानं श्रीमहाविष्णुप्रीत्यर्थे सहस्रनाम जपे विनियोगः।